Third bit first question, find z plus z bar if z equals to 2 minus 3i, and second one is z equals to minus 1 plus 3i. So if z equals to x plus iy, then z bar means conjugate of a z, so that means x minus iy. So then the first question is z equals to 2 minus 3i, then z bar equals to 2 plus 3i. So now let's find out the z plus z bar. So 2 minus 3i plus 2 plus 3i minus 3i plus 3i cancel 4. So next to question number B, z equals to minus 1 plus 3i, then z bar equals to minus 1 minus 3i, then z plus z bar equals to minus 1 plus 3i plus minus 1 minus 3i plus 3i minus 3i cancel, so minus 1 minus 2. Third bit second problem, if z equals to 2 plus 3i, find conjugate and additive inverse of z. So here a question conjugate means z bar, so just change the sign for imaginary part, so 2 minus 3i. Next to B answer additive inverse of z, so the additive inverse of z is denoting with minus z, so that means just apply the minus symbol for given complex number, so minus 2 minus 3i. Third problem, if z equals to 4 plus 5i, then find z plus z bar and z into z bar. So the first question, a equals to z plus z bar, z plus z bar. Z bar nothing but it is a conjugate of a z. So z is 4 plus 5i plus z bar is 4 minus 5i. So here plus 5i minus 5i cancel, 4 plus 4 8. Next question number B, z into z bar. So it is equals to 4 plus 5i into 4 minus 5i. So z bar is 4 minus 5i. Here a plus b into a minus b formula, so that is a square minus b square. Then 4 square minus 5i whole square. 4 square 16 minus 5 square 25 into I square, that is minus 1. So 16 plus 25, 6 plus 5 11, 1 carry 41. Fourth bit, find z into z bar if z equals to 1 plus I4 root 3. So the z bar is conjugate of a z, so 1 minus I4 root 3. So it is equals to a plus b into a minus b, a square minus I4 root 3 whole square. 1 square is 1 minus I square into 4 square into root 3 square. So 1 minus I square value minus 1, 4 square 16, root 3 square 3. So then 1 plus 16 3s are 48, so it is equals to 49. Second problem, 5 plus I 3 root 2. And the z bar is 5 minus I 3 root 2. So a plus b into a minus b, so a square minus b square. So I 3 root 2 whole square. 5 square 25 minus I square 3 square and root 2 square. So 25 minus I square is minus 1, 3 square 9, root 2 square 2. So 25 plus 9 2s are 18, so it is equals to 43. Fifth bit first problem, here find the conjugate of the following complex numbers. So to find out the conjugate of the complex number, first we need the complex number in the form of x plus iy. So then its conjugate will becomes x minus iy. So that is why first we have to simplify to get this form. So the first question is 3 plus 4i into 2 minus 3i. So here 3 into 2 minus 3i plus 4i into 2 minus 3i. So it is equals to 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9i, 4 into 2 8i minus 4 3s are 12i square. So 6 minus 9i plus 8i is minus I, minus 12 into I square is minus 1. So 6 minus I, minus 12 into minus 1 is plus 12. So 6 plus 12 is 18 minus I. Now it is exactly in the form of x plus I y. So then it's a conjugate. So the conjugate of 18 minus I will becomes 18 plus I. Similarly, B question 2 minus 3i into 1 plus 2i. So here 2 into 1 plus 2i minus 3i into 1 plus 2i. 2 into 1 is 2 plus 2 into 2 4i minus 3i into 1 is minus 3i and minus 3 into 2 is minus 6 into I square. So 2 plus 4i minus 3i is I minus 6 into I square is minus 1. So 2 plus I plus 6, 2 plus 6 is 8 plus I. So then its conjugate will become 8 minus I. Second bit 1 by 3 plus I whole square plus 1 by 3 minus I whole square minus 2I. So here 1 by 3 plus I whole square means 3 square plus I square plus 2 into 3 into I. Similarly 1 by 3 minus I means 3 square plus I square minus 2 into 3 into I. So minus 2I. So 1 by 3 square 9I square is minus 1 plus 2 3s are 6I plus 1 by 3 square 9 plus I square is minus 1 minus 2 3s are 6I minus 2I. So 1 by 8 plus 6I plus 1 by 8 minus 6I, so minus 2I. So now the LCM is 8 plus 6I into 8 minus 6I. So then the first numerator will become 8 minus 6i and the second numerator will becomes 8 plus 6i minus 2i. So now for the denominator we can apply one formula, that is a plus b into a minus b. So anyhow numerator minus 6i plus 6i cancel, 8 plus 8 16. So 8 square minus 6i whole square minus 2i. So 16 divided by 8 square is 64 minus 6i whole square is 36 into minus 1. So minus 2i. 16 divided by 64 plus 36 minus 2i. So it is equals to 16 divided by 100 minus 2i. Here 4 4s are 16, 4 25s are, so 4 by 25 minus 2i. So now its conjugate will becomes 4 by 25 plus 2i. Sixth bit, find the additive and multiplicative inverse of the following complex numbers. The first question is 4 plus 3i. So the additive inverse of 4 plus 3i is, apply the minus for 4 plus 3i. So then it is equals to minus 4 minus 3i. Next multiplicative inverse is 1 divided by 4 plus 3i. So now let's take the conjugate of denominator. So that is 4 minus 3i divided by 4 minus 3i. So it is equals to 4 minus 3i divided by a plus b into a minus b. So then a square minus b square. So then it is equals to 4 minus 3i divided by 4 square 16, 3 square 9 and I square is minus 1. So 4 minus 3i divided by 16 plus 9. So 4 minus 3i divided by 16 plus 9, 25. So now split into two fractions. So 4 by 25 minus 3 by 25 into I is a multiplicative inverse of 4 plus 3i. Second bit A problem, 7 plus 24i. So additive inverse of 7 plus 24i is minus of 7 plus 24i. So it is equals to minus 7 minus 24i. Next to multiplicative inverse, that means 1 by 7 plus 24i. So now take the conjugate, 7 minus 24i divided by 7 plus 24i into 7 minus 24i. It is equals to 7 minus 24i by 7 square minus 24i whole square. So 7 minus 24i by 7 square 49 minus 24 is 576 into I square is minus 1. So 7 minus 24i divided by 24 by 625i. Next to B question, 11 plus 3i. So the additive inverse is minus of 11 plus 3i. So it is equals to minus 11 minus 3i. Next multiplicative inverse equals to 1 divided by 11 plus 3i. So now take the conjugate of denominator. So 11 minus 3i divided by, so 11 plus 3i minus 3i whole square. So it is equals to 11 minus 3i. So 11 minus 3i divided by 121, 9 into minus 1 is plus 9. So 11 minus 3i divided by 130. So it is equals to 11 by 130 minus 3 by 130 into I. So it is a multiplicative inverse. Question number C, 3 plus 4i. So the additive inverse of 3 plus 4i is minus of 3 plus 4i. So now it is equals to minus 3 minus 4i. Next the multiplicative inverse is 1 by 3 plus 4i. So then the conjugate is 3 minus 4i divided by 3 plus 4i into 3 minus 4i. So it is equals to 3 minus 4i divided by 3 square minus 4i whole square. So 3 minus 4i divided by 3 square 9 minus 4 square is 16 into minus 1. So 3 minus 4i divided by 9 plus 16. So 3 minus 4i divided by 25. 3 by 25 minus 4 by 25 into I. So it is a multiplicative inverse. Third bit A problem, 2 plus I into minus 4 plus 6i. So let's convert this question into a x plus iy form. Then after we can find out the additive and multiplicative inverse. So here let's multiply them. 2 bracket of minus 4 plus 6i plus I bracket of minus 4 plus 6i. So 2 into minus 4 is minus 8 plus 6 2s are 12i plus I into minus 4 minus 4i plus I into 6i, so 6 into I square. So minus 8, 12i minus 4i is 8i and plus 6 into I square is minus 1. So minus 8 plus 8i plus 6 into minus 1 minus 6. So it is equals to minus 14 plus 8i. Now it is converted into x plus iy form. So then its additive inverse will becomes minus of minus 14 plus 8i. So minus of minus plus 14 minus 8i. So now the multiplicative inverse is multiplicative inverse. It is equals to 1 divided by minus 14 plus 8i. So now the conjugate of denominator is minus 14 minus 8i divided by minus 14 plus 8i into minus 14 minus 8i. So it is equals to minus 14 minus 8i divided by a minus b into a plus b. So it is equals to a square minus 8i whole square. So minus 14 minus 8i divided by minus 14 whole square is 196 and minus 8 square is 64 into I square is minus 1. So minus 14 minus 8i divided by 196 plus 64. So it is equals to 260. So the final answer is minus 14 by 260 minus 8i by 260. So here, so 2 sevens are 2 130s are. Next here 4 2s are 8, 4 6 are 24, 4 5s are 20. So the answer is minus 7 by 130 minus 2 by 65 into I. So this is multiplicative inverse. So next B question, 2 into 1 plus 2i minus 3i into 1 plus 2i. So 2 into 1, 2, 2 2s are 4i minus 3 into I, 3i minus 3 2s are 6i square. So 2 plus 4i minus 3i is I minus 6 into I square value minus 1. So 2 plus I plus 6, so 8 plus I. So now the additive inverse of 8 plus I is 8 minus I. So now the multiplicative inverse is 1 divided by 8 plus I. So now take the conjugate of denominator 8 minus I. So 8 plus I into 8 minus I. So it is equals to 8 minus I divided by 8 square minus I square. So 8 minus I by 8 square 64 minus of minus 1. 8 minus I divided by 64 plus 1. So it is equals to 8 minus I by 65. So 8 by 65 minus 1 by 65 into I. Fourth question, 9 by 2 plus I root 5. First of all, let's convert this into a x plus I y form. So that is why numerator multiply with the conjugate of denominator, that is 2 minus I root 5, and denominator also same 2 minus I root 5. So then it is equals to 9 2s are 18 minus I 9 root 5 divided by here a plus b into a minus b formula. So a square minus I root 5 whole square. So it is equals to 18 minus I 9 root 5 by 2 square 4 minus I square into root 5 square is 5. So 18 minus I 9 root 5 divided by 4 I square is a minus 1, so it will become plus 1 into 5. So 18 minus I 9 root 5 divided by 4 plus 5 9. From numerator we can take the 9 common, so 2 minus I root 5 divided by 9. So 9 9 cancel, so 2 minus I root 5. So now additive inverse of this 2 minus I root 5 will becomes 2 plus I root 5. So next multiplicative inverse, here we should apply the minus for 2 minus I root 5. So minus 2 plus I root 5 is the additive inverse. Next multiplicative inverse equals to 1 by 2 minus I root 5. So it is equals to 2 plus I root 5 divided by 2 minus I root 5 into 2 plus I root 5. So then 2 plus I root 5 divided by 2 square minus I root 5 whole square. 2 square 4 minus I square into root 5 square. So 2 plus I root 5 divided by 4 plus 5. So then 2 plus I root 5 divided by 4 plus 5, 9. So then split into two fractions here, 2 by 9 plus root 5 by 9 into I. So it is multiplicative inverse. Let's convert this question into a x plus iy form. So that is why here 9 multiply with 2 plus I root 5. So it is conjugate of denominator. So 9 to the 18 plus I 9 root 5 divided by a minus b into a plus b, that is a square minus I root 5 whole square. So 2 square is 4 minus I square is, so its total answer is plus 5. So from numerator take the 9 common, so 2 plus I root 5 divided by 4 plus 5, 9, here 9 cancel, 2 plus I root 5. Now the additive inverse of 2 plus I root 5 is minus of 2 plus I root 5, so then minus 2 minus I root 5. Next multiplicative inverse is 1 by 2 plus I root 5. So now numerator multiply with 2 minus I root 5, that is conjugate of denominator, and denominator also multiply with the same term. So it is equals to 2 minus I root 5 by a minus b into a plus b, 2 square minus I root 5 whole square. So 2 minus I root 5 is equals to 2 square 4 and I root 5 whole square is plus 5. So 2 minus I root 5 divided by 9. So then 2 by 9 minus I root 5 by 9 is a multiplicative inverse. Sixth question, 2I divided by 1 minus 2I. Let's convert this question into the I plus IY form. So that is why 2I divided by 1 minus 2I, the numerator multiply with 1 plus 2I and denominator also multiply with 1 plus 2I. Now 2I multiply inside 2I plus 4I square divided by 1 square minus 2I whole square. So it is equals to 2I plus 4 into I square is minus 1 divided by 1 square 1. So 2 square 4, 4 into minus 1, so 2I minus 4 divided by 1 plus 4, so 2I minus 4 divided by 5, so it is equals to minus 4 by 5 plus, so now the additive inverse equals to, apply the minus for simplified answer, so minus 4 by 5 plus 2 by 5 into I, so it is equals to 4 by 5 minus 2 by 5 into I. So it is equals to 5 divided by minus 4 plus 2I. So 5 multiply with minus 4 minus 2I and denominator also multiply with the same term minus 4 minus 2I. So 5 into minus 4 minus 20, 5 into minus 2 minus 10I divided by minus 4 whole square minus 2I whole square. So minus 20 minus 10I by 16 and plus 4. So take plus 10 common, so minus 2 minus I divided by 16 plus 4, 20, so 10 ones are 10 twos are. So it is equals to minus 2 by 2 minus I by 2. So the answer is minus 1 minus 1 by 2 into I.